Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you thought the Galaxy S24 Ultra was impressive, just wait until you hear about what Samsung has in store for us with the S25 Ultra. With a bigger screen, thinner bezels, and a brand new design language, this device is set to redefine what we expect from a smartphone. So let's dive into everything we know so far. First up, let's talk about the screen. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is reportedly getting a massive 6.9-inch display. Yes, you heard that right, a nearly 7-inch screen on a smartphone. But that's not all. Despite a larger display, Samsung has managed to make the phone narrower, thanks to some serious bezel trimming. According to the reliable tipster Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a 77.6mm wide body, which is slightly narrower than the Galaxy S24 Ultra's 79mm body. But here's the kicker. The bezels around the display are said to be just 2.3mm thick, a significant reduction from the 3.35mm bezels on the S24 Ultra. That's a 31% reduction in bezel size, making the S25 Ultra not only more immersive, but also more comfortable to hold for extended periods. Now let's talk about the design. Samsung is reportedly introducing a new design language with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, featuring more rounded corners and softer edges. This is a big shift from the sharper, more angular design we've seen in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The new design is expected to bring more consistency across the entire Galaxy S25 lineup, as the standard Galaxy S25 and the Galaxy S25 Plus already have rounded corners. The softer edges and rounded corners are not just for looks. They're also going to improve the phone's ergonomics. If you've ever held the Galaxy S24 Ultra for a long time, you know that those sharp corners can dig into your hand. With the S25 Ultra's new design, it should be much more comfortable to hold even during extended use. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is said to pack the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip. This chip is expected to be a beast, built on TSMC's 3nm process. It will reportedly feature 2 high-performance CPU cores clocked at a blazing 4 GHz and 6 power-efficient cores at 2.8 GHz. And let's not forget the new Adreno 8 series GPU, which is expected to deliver 40% faster performance. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or running demanding apps, the S25 Ultra should handle it all with ease. Now let's move on to the cameras. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature a quad camera setup on the rear, and it's looking like Samsung is going all out in the camera department. The primary rear camera is said to be a 200-megapixel sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS. This should deliver stunningly detailed photos and videos even in low light. But that's not all. The S25 Ultra is also expected to have a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera for those sweeping landscape shots, along with two 50-megapixel telephoto cameras offering 3x and 5x optical zoom. And for all you selfie lovers out there, action when it likely launches in January 2025. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Are you excited about the bigger screen and thinner bezels? Let me know in the comments section below. And if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future updates. As always, see you in the next video. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be 2. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy S25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yedon also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing the Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.